Welcome to the video by Abron Exports. This is LED characteristic apparatus. We have got the three LEDs are there and they are connected. The dotted line shows that they are not connected. You have to connect by the external wire. And then this one is a milliammeter. You have to connect it external wire. I have connected it. Here we have got the voltmeter also dotted. Here we have to connect it to the different wire. And then this power supply is not showing any connection here, so you have to connect it for the external wire. Here we are showing it, and this is a voltmeter current and voltmeter and milliammeter current. As you increase the voltage, the current is increasing in LED. This LED brightness will also change due to the change in the voltage applied and the current passing. This one is a potentiometer. Here we have the we can change it, and we can also change to the other LEDs. We have got another model where we have got the three different color of LED, red, blue, green are there. So they are available with us. We have characteristic apparatus of PN junction diode, semiconductor diode, transistor characteristic. Visit, see these videos. Our WhatsApp is 99922222049. Another is this is our email is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. And subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you very much.